Hello, this is my radishes I'm growing indoors underneath my grow light, and I just put that in there about 3 hours ago. It is a lid, and it has got a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a drop of dish soap, and a little bit of water. And let's see if I can get a little closer. That little white mass right in the middle to the left a little bit, that is a bunch of little baby fungus gnats. And I put up a sticky, and I got 3 already stuck on it. I put that up like 2 days ago though. I noticed that I had some movement on the surface of the dirt a couple days ago. And what happens is when you buy potting soil, most of it already comes with fungus gnat eggs, because when they're making the potting soil, it's got fungus gnats and they're laying eggs into it, and they bag it up and send it to you, and well, guess what? You end up with fungus gnats. And one thing I didn't do is why I got them. If you get your potting soil and put it in a tub like this one and dump a pan of boiling hot water in there and stir it in, that will kill the eggs, and then you can just let it drain for a while and several days until it's dry enough to plant in it. But once I get to where I can harvest these, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll dump some boiling water in there once I harvest all the radishes, and over there I got some lettuce. But this is a good way to help keep them under control, is a little bit of apple cider vinegar, a little bit of water, and a drop of dish soap. Dish soap breaks the surface barrier on top of water and liquids, because usually if you got just water or whatever, those bugs can land on it and then they can get back off. But if you break that barrier, they sink. And that's what we have here. There's about 10 of those little white things in there. They're little tiny flies that have just hatched out. And I'll probably put one down at that end also, and then I'll put one or two in my lettuce. But that actually does a really good job of controlling them. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.